Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed and this lecture I am going to teach you remaining options in layer menu. As you remember in the last lecture we learned smart objects and definitely in this lecture we'll start from video layers. So what is mean by video layers? As you know that whenever we want to take a new layer, so what we do, we come in layer menu and then we go in new and we click on layer, and if I click on OK and I get different new layer. So what is the work of video layer? Basically video layer is basically for animation. If you want to learn more about animation, so you should watch my video on animation, because if you go in window and if we click on timeline, so definitely we get timeline. So with the help of timeline we can do animation, getting me? So this layer is basically for animation, getting me? Video layer, you know, video layer. So here we have the options, definitely new video layer from file. Let's say that if you want to create a new layer from file, means if you want to create a new layer from a new window, from a view video, so that you can do. But let's say if you don't have any video, so what can you do? You need to just simply click on new blank video layer to get a new layer. And as you can see that right now I have a layer. This is not ordinary layer, this is video layer, and as you can see that right now it's also showing you this icon, getting me? So definitely this is the work of video layer, means with the help of video layer we can get video layer, getting me? Then we have the rasterize. What is mean by rasterize? For example, if you have any layer, if you have anything either in definitely parse or if you, let's say if you have vector image, getting me? And if you want to make it raster, means if you, as you can see that as you know that in Photoshop whatever we do, definitely we do with the help of pixels, getting me? We work with pixels, getting me? So let's say that if you have anything and if you want to make it a pixel, in easy word we can say pixel image. So how can do? You have to first go in rasterize, and here we have type, shape, anything. As you can see that right now we have vector mask, but as you can see that this layer is video layer. That's why showing that okay, Photoshop is showing me, Naveed, you have video layer, do you want to make it raster layer? I say yes. If I just simply click on it, and as you can see that right now I don't have that icon anymore, because now it has become definitely raster layer, getting me? Or raster image, getting me? So the raster means that anything in, we can say pixel, you know, as we have pixels. Then we have definitely option of new layer base slice, means as you know that if we want to take a new layer, so we go in new and we take a new layer. But if we take the help of new layer, so we get just only a new layer, getting me? But let's say if I want to take a new layer with a base slice, means if I want to take a new layer with slice, definitely I can do. As you can see that right now I have a layer with slice, getting me? What is slice? Definitely if you go in toolbox and if you take the help of slice tool, so definitely you can get the slice tool, and with the help of slice tool you can get the slices of your image, getting me? And if you want to learn more about slice tool, so you should watch my video on definitely slice tool, getting me? So definitely if you take the help of if you take the help of new, so we just new layer, so we just get a new layer. But if we take the help of new base layer, so means that we get a new layer with slice, getting me? Then we have the option of group layer. Here we also have the option group layer here as well. Definitely if I just simply click on it, so it will show me group. Or if I go in layer menu, so here I also have the option of group layers. If I just simply click on group layer, so definitely it will show me group. So what is a work of group? Let's say that if I have for example if I have 15 layers or 16 layers, and if I want to arrange those layers, so what I do, I will take the help of group, because I will group those layers. For example, if I say that okay, in this group I have definitely layers about head. For example, if I have any model here, or if I have anything, getting me? And if I say okay, in this group, in group 1 I have all the layers related to head. On third, for example, in the second group I have all the layers related to, or let's say they're related to body, getting me? So definitely I can group my similar layers, getting me? So it is very easy, it is very easy. What you need to do, you need to just go in layer menu and you have to just simply click on group layer and it will give you group. And in order to put any layer inside of this layer group, what you need to do, you need to just simply, as you can see that right now I have this layer. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to just simply click and drag this to group, and definitely it will come inside of this group, getting me? So this is the work of group. If you want to ungroup, you can do. If you want to hide layer, let's say that if I don't want to see this layer, so I have definitely the way, the first way is that if I just simply click on this eye, I don't have this layer visible anymore. Or if I go in layer menu, and here I also have the option of hide layer. So if I just simply click on this, definitely I can also hide, getting me? Definitely if you just simply click on this eye, so definitely it's very easy, getting me. You don't need to go in layer menu and then hide, getting me. Then we have the option of arrange. For example, as you can see that right now I have layers, getting me. If I take another, and as you can see that right now I have 5 layers, and if I want to arrange this layer, for example, this layer, if I want this layer to come first, so how can I do? Definitely I can do if I just simply click this layer, and if I keep this layer first. So as you can see that right now definitely this layer, the layer 1 is the first, getting me. Same thing I can do if I go in layer menu, and if I take the help of arrange. So let's say if you want to bring back or bring forward, if I say bring forward or front, as you can see that now it's front, and if you say that arrange, or if I backward, so now it's coming backward, getting me. And if I say okay, getting me. So if you want to change the arrangement, or if you want your layer to come first or last, definitely with the help of arrange you can do, getting me. But if I talk myself, so I don't go in layer menu, and if I don't take the help of arrange, because if I have any work with this layer, for example, if I want to change the arrangement of this any layer, so what I do, I just simply select that layer, and if I want my this layer, for example here, so if I just simply drop here, as you can see that right now I have different second layer here, getting me. So with the help of arrange we can change the arrangement of a layer. Then we have combine shape. Let's say that if you have 2 or 3 shapes, and if you want to combine those shapes, so how can you do? I will tell you now. So I will definitely close this, and I will take a new, and I will come here, and I will take definitely shape. Okay, this shape I have definitely rectangle, and I will take another rectangle. Okay, so what I do, as you can see that right now I have two shapes. Okay, so first I select this definitely this rectangle layer, and I will hold down shift, and I will select this second rectangle. Now I will go in definitely in layer menu, and as you can see that right now definitely this combine shapes option is visible. And if I want to unite, if I say simply click on unite, and definitely as you can see that unite means that they become unite, because means that now they are one. Now they are one. Unite means that if you have 2 objects, if you have 3 or 4 objects, and if you want to make those 3 or 4 object one, so with the help of unite you can do, getting me. So in order to go back, I will take the help of Control Alt Z, and definitely I will go back. I will Control the Z, and definitely again I will select definitely this layer, and I will go again in layer menu, and I will go in combine shapes, and if I say subtract front shape, so definitely as you can see that right now I don't have that front shape, getting me. So if you want to delete the front shape, you can also do. Then we have the option of unite shapes at overlap, means that the part which is overlapping, means that the part, as you can see that right now I have 2 objects, getting me. Definitely. So let's say that if I want to just keep that the part which is overlapping, so how can I get? If I just simply click and select, if I go in combination, if I just simply click on unite shapes or at overlap, so you can see that it's just giving me that part definitely which are overlapping, getting me. So definitely this is the work of definitely overlap. Last, what do we have? We have definitely subtract from shape out overlap. As you can see that this part was overlapping, and if I want to subtract this part, so I can also do, getting me. So definitely combine shape means with the help of combine shape we can combine shapes. Then we have the option of align. For example, if I want my top, left, bottom, definitely I can do so. For example, if I want, as you can see that right now I have this object selected, and if I want my this object to come at top, as you can see that now I have a top, and if I want my object to come at the bottom, now as a bottom, getting me. So let's say if I want to change the alignment of any object, definitely I can also do, getting me. As you can see that now I have left, right, getting me. Then we have the option of lock layers. Let's say that if I want to lock any layer, as you can see that definitely this layer has been locked, and if I want to lock any layer, what is the work of lock? You know that if I lock any layer, so I cannot move, I cannot do anything, getting me. So here we have the option, if I click on lock, so I can lock. And if I go in layer menu, see here I also have the option of lock. For example, if I want to lock this layer, I can also do, getting me. It's asking that what do you want to lock. If I say okay, I just want to lock the transparency, I just want to lock the image, if I just want to lock the position, and if I say oh, so it means it will lock everything. If I just simply click on okay, now I cannot move, neither I can move nor I can do anything, getting me. So this is the work of lock. Definitely you have option here, and if you go in layer menu, so you have also option here as well. Then we have the option of definitely link layers and definitely link. So what is mean by link? Let's say that so if I just delete this layer, and let's say that I have Naveed, okay, and if I take another shape like this, for example, this is my logo, okay, just think for now that this is my logo. Okay, and definitely this shape is the part of this text, but the problem is that if I move this shape, definitely this is not moving, or if I move this text, so definitely this is not moving. So how can it link these two layers? So what I need to do, first I have to select these two layers, and if I go in layer menu, I have the option called link layers. So if I just simply click on link layers, now if I select any layer, for example, if I select now, first I select Naveed layer, okay, text layer, and if I move, as you can see that rectangle, definitely this shape is also coming. Or if I select this rectangle layer, and if I try to move the rectangle, so definitely text is also coming, getting me. So means that they both are locked, getting me. Same thing you can do here as well. Definitely here we also have the option of lock, also link. If I go in layer menu, so here we also have the option of link, getting me. Now if I don't want to unlink, so means if I don't want my this two thing link anymore, so what I do, I will just simply click unlink, and now if I move just one, definitely just shape is moving, not text, getting me. So this is the work of unlock and lock, getting me. And definitely remaining options we will learn in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.